guys, welcome to Baby Tiger World's brand new YouTube channel. Today we are gonna be making a DIY 3D giraffe. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So as you can see, I stick the 1A and 1B like this together so that we can see the giraffe on both sides. So now, first we're gonna start sticking with A's. So, which one is number 2? This one or this one? This one, right? So, we need to start with this one. And then, which one goes? This one or this one? Yes, correct. It is number 3. And then comes number 4. Now, we're going to start sticking number 2 with some glue. It's best not to use too much glue or else the glue will come out and then stick to our fingers. Like so. Isn't this whitiness satisfying? It's just like painting but just with glue. And done. Now, we put the 2A on this. Like that. Let this dry for some time. Boom! It's dry. Now we can stick the 3A we've been talking about before. Oopsie! There we go. Now, number 3. There we go. Let this dry for some time too. And we do some more. Find the piece which we need to use. And then we stick it and then we let it dry for some time. Yeah, it's dry. Now, we put number 4. And stop. Now we put the number 4 like so. Now we let it dry for some time. Bam! It's dry. Now we put number 5 and there we start the legs. Goes there. There, that's how that should go. Okay, now we put number 6A. That's glue, glue, glue. Yum, yum, yum. Oops, that was a little bit too much. We use the same on this side. There we go. Now we did not forget anything. And then we put the 6. Hey. There we go. Now number 7A. There. Now we stick this on top. Bam! There we have the legs. To let it dry, I forgot to tell this. We're gonna let it dry for 10 seconds. Will you count with me? So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have been waiting for 10 seconds. So that tells me that it's dry. Let's put the number 8 and then count to 10 again. There. And then boop. There we go. Let's count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have stick these till now. We're going to be sticking it similarly on the other side, which is the B side. So what are we waiting for? Let's stick it. I'm to stick this one B. There we go. Ta-ta. While we wait, let's sing a song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. There we go. Now that he is all warmed up by dancing and we are warmed up by singing, it has got to be dry. And it is. So let's stick the eyes and the tummy. Okay? First we're going to start with the A. A spot for the eye. 1, 2. 1 line for the tummy. Boop. And boop. There. Then we let it dry. Now let's stick on the other side. There. 1 spot is enough. Then here we're gonna touch this and then put that there. Okay. We don't need this glue anymore. Let's shoot it like a rocket. There. Now we stick this one. Boop. And this one. Boop. Now, I would like to call him Giraffe-icent. Giraffe-icent is ready to go on his big adventures and discover the world. Time to do my giraffe dance. For discovering the world. Little Latley do, I discovered the world. Ta-da! There we go. Bye. Have a lovely day. Bye. Bye, Giraffe In. Have a lovely day discovering the world. So this is the end of my episode. I hope you like me and Giraffe In. So, if you like this video, please click a like at the bottom and subscribe that side, like that side. And then share it with your friends and family and your loved ones. I hope you liked it. Stay all ears so that you can watch our next episode. Bye! Bye people, subscribe to Baby Tiger World.